and CEO. Partner in crime, man. Say we locking it up, putting it together.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
No cape necessary.
So we really want to stress the importance to these young men of not being afraid to go to the doctor, not being afraid to try something that doesn't look like mama.
A lot of you don't know how to set goals, don't know how to achieve them, don't know how to get what you're trying to get, what you want, because you don't know the 4 pieces to your puzzle so it can reveal itself to you. 4 areas of your life. I'm talking about your mentality, I'm talking about your health, I'm talking about your relationships, and I'm talking about your career or business. Those are the 4 areas of your life that you need to have goals in every single day so that you can make sure that the picture is constantly revealing itself to you. You can't enjoy money if your emotional state is wrong, and the first thing you're going to do is spend out of emotion. What are you doing right now for the 20 years later, the 90 years later, the 100 years later? What are you putting in place? I'm not working for me. My gift is working for me because I get fulfillment out of it. Finding pieces. Put them together. Start getting your life in a place where you can feel comfortable about every area of your life. Mental, emotional, financial, relational, all of those things. I want you to start getting it in place. I have one scripture in my heart that keeps me accountable all the time. 2 Timothy. A man who does not take care of his immediate family is like an unbeliever and should tie a milestone to his neck and cast it into the sea.
The government tells the schools what they can teach, what curriculum they can teach. Money, investment, financial freedom, credit is not involved. You might know a brother, sister, or you can go online and buy it. It's a trade line. A trade line is a seasoned account. What a seasoned account is, when I come back to credit cards, making the times on payment, it's an account that has age and history.
He used the foolish thing to confine the wise, but the smallest thing to open our eyes. He's gone without us even lending our hand to him. Got involved with this had nothing to do with my high school diploma, my GED, or my college degree. It had everything to do with my PhD, and I think we all got that today. The PhD stands for poor, hungry, and determined. If we don't come up with a solution, we're gonna forever have this problem. I feel that, feast is made for laughter, wine is made for merry, but money answers all things. You have to be able to circulate some incomes, finance in your life so you can be able to get to that bag. The thing about life, the reason that this looks so foreign and absolute to us is because our whole life we thought it was a pyramid, but then we ask yourself, your ancestors, who told you that? When you go all the way back to generational tree, the first person who put that in our grandparents didn't even look like it. When you come to the meeting, they all sitting in there. Only 2 reasons they told you that. Number 1, they don't want you to know their secret. Number 2, they don't need you to free your people. Because as long as I can keep you in the dark, I ain't got to worry about what you're going to do. Dr. Carter G. Watson said, if you can determine what a man should think, you never have to concern yourself with what he would do. If you can make a man feel inferior, you never have to prepare him to seek inferior status for his secret himself. And if you can make a man feel unjust and outcast, you don't have to order him to go to the back door, but he'll go without being told. If there is no door, his very nature is no demand. So we got to understand our past so we can see our future. I am Destiny Curley, president of Team Win 180 Investment Group. Together, everyone achieves more, walking in newness. Get out there 360 until 180. We ain't got next, but we got now.